If you're experiencing high ping while playing GTA 5, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you reduce your ping and improve your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can test your speed using online speed test tools. If your speed is below the recommended levels, consider upgrading your plan or switching providers. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switch from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet connection. This can significantly reduce latency and provide a more stable connection, minimizing the chances of high ping during gameplay. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching GTA 5, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, and other online applications that can slow down your connection. Step 4. Change server locations. In the game settings, try connecting to different game servers. Sometimes connecting to a server that is geographically closer to you can help reduce ping. Experiment with various servers to find the one that offers the best performance. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Adjust your in-game settings for better performance. Lowering graphics settings can help reduce the load on your system and improve responsiveness. Additionally, ensure that your network settings are optimized for online play. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping and overall gaming experience in GTA 5. Happy gaming!